After 3 hours, this is what it came out to be. Nice, soft. It looks delicious. Delicious. I'm gonna have a nice scoop. Look at that. Look at that. Fantastic. This is what you do. You take the jelly. This is a cup of hot water combined with the juices that came out of the pineapple bin, and then you mix the jelly in there. If I get to open it. There we go. Pineapple jelly or lemon jelly, any of the two. So now we're going to stir it till it's dissolved. Remember, this is hot water and juice. Then we're going to put it in the fridge to cool down. Not stall, just cool down, because we're going to use it into the mix. While we wait for the jelly to cool down, we're going to whip the milk till it's hard. There we are. Look at that. Beautiful. I think that is good enough. Perfect. Now we are gonna fold in the rest of the ingredients. First we're gonna take pineapple pieces and we're gonna fold that into milk. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Smell. Pineapple. Let's fold it in as much as we can. After this has been done properly, we add about 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, and then we do the same. We fold it in into the mix till you have the condensed milk mixed in properly all the way. Once that's been done, we're gonna take the jelly out of the fridge and we're gonna pour it in here. There we go. Nice. Now we're gonna keep doing this till you've got the yellowish color properly across all the mix. Now we're gonna pack the first layer of cookies down at the bottom of the pan. Then the fun begins. Take off the mix and pour it over biscuits. Make sure that you cover everywhere, because after this is done, you're going to put another layer of cookies. And you're going to keep doing this till you've got nothing left. Okay, now it's the next layer. Once you're done, you take some of the cookies, you crush them, and you sprinkle them on the top. And now it's ready to go into the fridge. For 3 hours you have to wait. After that, bon appetit. After 3 hours, this is what it came out to be. Nice, soft. It looks delicious. Delicious. I'm gonna have a nice scoop. Look at that. Look at that. Fantastic.